Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Boarding James Sangma negasngi habai keren berkinong tok kubor halor kejing jelai jong kejing tangklau hakeleng saudong ulaong bakala donkam bandon da kikor kiban lap ya kajaka basdang jong kejing kemding kenang banyo bante lakam ya kejing sapreng jong kading ulaong ru ba kejing plu ding hakiklau kalong kabamabha kamtam kejing tung jing tep kibabun jaj ulaong ba kejing tangklau kamdei bakakta tang ya kiding hanrei kabadon kamtam kadei kejing syak ta kinyang ki kanbat kabadon kamtam shu nakaliang uni menteri ula kentui ki pajba ban chimkhia ban am thangi ki klau ki petap ulong ba bun ki jing thang klau kadei nakadau jong ki jing bom kenkor jong ki pajba ki balai chaki klau bat ki thang ya ki biri lani secret bat bread pathar bat dei langba kani kaba penlong ban kemding ya ka klau kamtam hakani kapor baterkhong kading kapur stet bha
they are very dangerous, for our biodiversity and for our very, very sensitive ecosystem that we have. Because forest fires are not just about, the trees which get affected. Very importantly, the microorganisms, the insect life, the shrubs that are there. These play a very important role in the ecosystem of any forest. These are the victims that we end up destroying because of these forest fires. Therefore, we are urging people to be more responsible. Many forest fires are actually started because of irresponsible behavior of people. They take a walk in the forest, they light a bidi or a cigarette, and then they very casually throw it, and it once a fire catches, because of the fact that the ground is so dry right now, it spreads very, very fast. Our manpower is stretched thin in the forest department, and to douse such kind of fires is a huge challenge. So we have to appeal to the people that please be responsible. This is very irresponsible behavior on part of certain individuals who very casually treat forests like that. And we are also, of course, setting up many interventions by the use of technology in the forest department through separate funding, be it from the 15th Finance Commission or be it through CAMPA, that we want to bring in certain technology that will be able to at least detect such kind of fires at the nascent stage, and maybe have some kind of interventions whereby we can restrict it to a certain space and then douse that fire, because if this fire spreads to the entire forest, it is impossible to put it out then. However, in terms of how practical it will be, that is a question that remains, because these forests are protected forests. It's not that you can have civilians roaming all over the forest, and that's probably something that we try to avoid as much as possible, because any kind of encroachment or people moving through this forest is something that's rather more harmful and detrimental. But having said that, I think it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to make sure that we spread awareness, we educate people about such kind of behavior, by which we can make sure that people don't act irresponsibly in this manner. But to have community policing, if it is voluntary and if people come forward and do that, then yes, we will definitely explore such kind of things. But it's easier said than done. It's a challenging thing.